outside. There's still graduation parties and all sorts of stuff like that this weekend.
I know there's so much to do out and about this weekend. I know the Charles Schwab Colonial is also going on. So overall, we're looking warm and rain chances are really starting to look lower and lower. So the end of the week forecast looks like this: 92 for the high today, 93 Saturday, 94 on Sunday. The heat index, though, mid to upper 90s Saturday and Sunday because of how much humidity we're dealing with. Rain coverage pretty low and mostly to the west. I want to start with today, though, because today our Trend Tower camera in Rockwall is showing a little cloud cover overhead. Temperature of 83 degrees, winds out of the southwest at about 5 to 10. Most of us today will be in the low 90s. The only exception would be if you happen to see a random shower popping up. This is going to be running close to 4 or 5 degrees warmer than normal. Because of the high pollution, though, and because of the high temperatures, we are expecting to have high levels of ozone. That's going to in turn lower the air quality, which is why air quality alerts are in place. If you have respiratory issues, you may want to limit your time outside because of this, unfortunately. So the cloud cover that I showed you on that Trend Tower cam now looking to really go over areas of Denton, Collin, Rockwall, Tarrant County, and more dense across our western counties. But look at that, a little shower trying to get going just to the south of Abilene. And today the rain coverage, that's really where it's going to be highest. Far western portions of North Texas. We have a 10% coverage that includes Palo Pinto and Jack counties towards the west. Let me show you how that looks like for this afternoon. This is around noon. Around this time, you'll notice more cloud cover along our western counties. But in the afternoon, we're going to see thunderstorms form in West Texas and in the Panhandle. Those decaying storms, as they move to the east, will make it into our far western counties, but it's going to be pretty late. This is around 10. So these storms, as they decay, will form into showers, and those showers could skim our western counties. They don't make it into DFW, however. We are expecting to see a little of that cloud cover, especially along our southwestern counties tonight, by the way. On Saturday, we're looking at our highest coverage of rain near Wichita Falls, Archer City, and Seymour. 10% coverage. That does include Tarrant, Denton, and Collin County, Dallas County as well. That's not a lot. That means most of us will be completely rain-free, and this is what it'll look like. This is in the morning. You'll see some cloud cover tomorrow morning. And look at that. Did you see that? Just a few showers passing through. Any chance for thunderstorms really will stay to the northwest. Wichita Falls, Archer City, Seymour late tomorrow. And that's really about it. We're looking clear for Saturday night, going into Sunday if you want to catch the blue moon that's happening this weekend. Otherwise, we are looking clear. Now, next week, our rain coverage looks to go up slightly Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I've got about 20% coverage right now. And because of that, temperatures are going to be in the 80s. But before that happens, we'll be at 93 on Monday, 92 on Tuesday. The heat index close to the triple digits thanks to the high humidity. Let me show you what's happening, though. We have this area of high pressure that's currently in Austin, San Antonio areas in South Texas. That's allowing a jet stream or really disturbances to move over the Panhandle, which is why we see the thunderstorms in the Panhandle today. So that is also going to bring in rain across Oklahoma and in Arkansas, but eventually that high takes over and it really brings an end to those rain chances. And that's why we're looking drier come Sunday, Monday. But as that high scoots back towards the south, we could very well see a few more rain chances next week, and that in turn drops our temperatures. But as we really settle towards the middle part of June, it is looking a bit drier and warmer with the potential for afternoon storms, which is very typical for this time of the year. Erica?
Maria.